Okay, that hasn't actually worked out too bad. Now I've just got to drill some holes and get some fixing in there. Obviously tidy that wiring up. Yeah, happy with that. Okay, so the next thing is to drill some holes and get this alley bit joined to the plastic bit. So I thought a couple of screws, a couple of screws, 1, 2, and yeah, go from there. Here's a little problem I didn't foresee. Those nuts there. Yeah, a little gap in here is not quite big enough. Especially to fit 2 more bolts on this one here. I didn't think about that. I have to rethink. Bugger, it's all going so well too. Okay, so I've just ground down a couple of these nuts. And I'm just going to see how that goes. We'll have to use some Loctite or something. Okay, so I'm not happy at all with how this has come out. I think that looks like rubbish. It's spreading it apart, which means these holes don't line up anymore. I can't grind any more off those nuts. It's just, yeah, that's rubbish. So what I think I'll do is I'll remake these two, recut them, remake them, and I will tap some threads into the alley and see how that works out. So yeah, let's make them all again. Okay, so that's a heck of a lot better. Excellent. Okay, so version 1 point something I'm a lot more happy with that. What I have noticed though is I probably wouldn't do something like this again. There's so many pivot points. You move one little thing and it turns it like this, and you move another thing and it's up on this angle and it's across, and yeah. One thing I am thinking about doing is I'm not happy with the amount of alley that's around here, so I'm thinking I might cut and just shave that down a bit. Same on the other side obviously, but for the time being I'm just going to leave that and yeah, see how that goes. Next plan of attack is I'm going to wire these cables into a loom. Now I thought I would try and drill a hole through the top there where my finger is and run the wires through this gap here. When I get to here I'm just going to do a loop onto here maybe and zip tie along here and up and under. It's not ideal. I'm sure I can make it look pretty good though. So yeah, let's look at doing that next. I'm not going to make everything with plugs. I'm probably just going to solder and heat shrink. It's not like I'm ever going to be unplugging this stuff and taking it to bits, hopefully. So yeah, that is the next plan of attack. This stuff here is a high temperature, what I call a hookup cable or control cable. We're only super low current on these LED stuff. I use this stuff in controls for ovens and heaters and stuff like that. Thermostats, all that sort of rubbish, so it can handle a super high temperature, 95 degrees C I think. So yeah, let's solder up these joins. So I've just used this computer sheathing, but it's not in the least bit heat proof, so this is just purely temporary what I've done here. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to go to work and see. I know I can get some heat proof stuff, but it's not black, so I'll see if I can source some black stuff during the week. But I thought I'd just hook it up to a battery just to yeah, see what everything looks like. Pretty cool. So anyway, I shall leave this video here. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, hopefully we have some more parts arrive soon. That's one of the biggest problems for me, is just waiting on parts. So very cool. Okay, see ya.